What's up, YouTube? And I'm back with part one. Something you're asking, part one of what? Part one of a project. A project I've talked about. A project I've been wanting to do. A project I'm going to struggle doing financially because I'm finding stuff bigger and better and maybe costing like $10 here and $10 there. But also the research involved in this. I have spent lots of time trying to research what to get, and I still am not sure if what I'm ordering is what I want, but it will do. And that's why I always buy pre-built, because I can look at it and go, boom, that's exactly what I need. It ships out the door and it's in my hand. I'm ordering parts. Parts of what? My new desktop. So, as I've stated before, I have a Dell Inspiron 530. This thing's lasted me a long time. A very long time. You're probably talking over 6 years. It's lasted me a very, very long time for what it's done. It's ran games like Final Fantasy XI. It's ran games like Minecraft. It's ran games like Cube World. It's done some recording. It's done Steam games. It's done a lot of stuff. And it's still kicking. And it's still pushing. And it's still running on a basic Inspiron 530. We're talking the very basic one. We're talking one that you could have bought 6 years ago for barely over $200. Very basic. Now it's time to change it. Time for me to build. Building my own. This is a project I'm excited about, worried about, scared, nervous, even more excited, thrilled to finally be doing. I can't wait to actually get this thing started, but this video is part one because part one came today. What is part one? Part one is probably one of the most important parts of your computer. If not the most important part of your computer, it is the processor. The processor I decided on was the i7-4770K LG A1150. You know, there's no such thing as future proofing, but I guess if I'm going to go ahead and get ahead of the game, I'll get ahead of the game. You know, this is 4 cores, 8-way multitask processing, turbo boost technology, hyper-threading, smart cache, integrated memory controller, supports 2-channel DDR3 memory, 3-year limited warranty, Intel graphics card, Intel Graphics 4600. Boom, there you go. There's that information if you want to read it. Boom. And then just a bunch of scribble on the back. So you're curious what comes in an Intel processor box. It's a small box. It's kind of heavy. More than just a chip. Let's see what you get. I like to show you guys what you get. Now, I'm not taking the stuff out of the box yet. I'm just taking it out of the box. I'm not actually pulling all the pieces out. There's your chip. There's your fan, your cooling center, your cooling unit right there. And then you also get a booklet that has a bunch of information that you may or may not need to know. And on the back, it looks like there's a sticker. So you get a sticker. So you do get a sticker. That's awesome. I love stickers. Do you love stickers? I love stickers. I don't know if I'll put a sticker on, but it tells you a lot. So it tells you what you got inside. So there you go. The Intel i7-4700K. Show you the box one more time. That's going to be the brain of my new computer. So someone's going to ask me, why did you get that? The i5 would have done just as well. And you're right. The i5 would have done just as well. And one was the i7 thanks to Reddit. So there's a website called Microcenter.com, and they had that processor for $250. Not bad. i5 normally costs about $250. So how do I get that for $250? Well, Microcenter doesn't ship. That's an in-store only special. So if you go into Microcenter, you get that for $250. It's on their website. You can go read the information. I'll post a link below. You don't have a Micro Center nearby. I don't have a Micro Center nearby. How did I still get it for $250? Let's add up the pieces. We went to Staples. Staples has price match. Now, word of warning. If you go into Staples, from what most people are telling on Reddit, if you go into Staples, you will not get the price match. So don't go to Staples to try to price match. Bad idea. Other people are reporting they're having a hard time with customer service over the phone price matching. Some will, some won't. Don't call. I think that's you can try, but don't call. A lot of people, including myself, have had success price matching that through online live chat. So go through online live chat and tell them the process. Tell them you want to price match it. Here's what you got to do. You got to purchase the item at full price. So $370, $380, whatever it's at now. You have to purchase it at that price. And I waited until I would talk to customer service. I went through and purchased it. Boom, purchased it. They send the link. I send them the link for the item from Microcenter. Send them the order number that I just purchased through Staples. And with all this information that I gave them, they were quick to change that price. Very quick. Like my credit card did not even process by the time they had that price changed. I only got charged the $250 for the processor. I never got charged the $370, $380 for the original purchase. Because you know some companies, you'll price match and then they'll match, then they'll refund you the difference or charge you twice and let the more expensive one drop off or something weird, whatever. They were quick on it and they changed that price very quick. And I was charged the one price, so about $250. I got the i7. So check the link below. I'll show you a link to Microcenters. I'll send you, post a link to Staples so you can go do whatever you need to do if you want that processor. It's a good deal, really good deal for an i7 4700. But yeah, so I price match. It's about $250. I have an i7 instead of an i5. That's what I did. So the brain is here. The brain. We'll put that into nothing. I don't have any other parts. I just have the brain. I'm still ordering parts. The brain came quick. I have more stuff on order. I have stuff not ordered yet. This is going to be a multi-part, over a time period video. This video series may take over a month to complete, which includes the building of the computer, which I'd love to try to record and show you my first time ever building a computer from scratch. I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to do this. I'm scared to do it. It should be fun. I have stuff on order, and every time I get something in, I'll be making a video to show you guys what are coming in. So once everything's here, you guys can watch me put it together. So, anyway, part 1, check. Brain, check. What's next? I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. If you really want to continue watching these videos, please make sure you subscribe below. There's a subscribe thing over here, actually. Subscribe button, click it. If you like these videos and are excited for this series, click that like button. It will definitely help me and help you follow this series as much as possible. This is going to be over a time period. This may be a month. This may be a 2-month video series. I just hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I get in. I hope you guys enjoy watching me put the computer together. And I hope you guys enjoy when I finish the project and can see what it can do. I can't wait. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace. See you next time.